Hi, welcome. Simon here and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'd like to do a benchmark test and share with you the result on this brand new Asus gaming laptop. The model of this is Asus TUF 516PE. And let me walk you through the specs here. If you take a closer look, you can see that it runs on the Intel i7 processor. This is the 11th generation and has about 3300 megahertz. Goes on the Windows 10. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 SSD M.2 drive. Now, the graphics card is pretty intense. It goes on the NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti. Okay, that is the graphics card on the built-in laptop, the built-in motherboard here on the graphics card. And let's go ahead and do the benchmark test. I'll be using the 3D Mark, and let me try to zoom it a little bit. So at the end of the result, we can talk a little bit about what is best to use on the laptop. And definitely this is a gaming laptop. We'll try to talk about the price point and see if this is worth for you to invest or for you to buy. And also you can know the result at the end of the video, whether if something that you look into for your gaming purpose or maybe for your work, if you're gonna do like graphic design using like the 3D AutoCAD or maybe Photoshop or Illustrator or the Premiere. See if this is a suitable for you, the laptop, and hopefully the benchmark would give you some sort of guidance for you to decide to make the purchase. All right, so the price point for this laptop, I got it from Amazon. If you're interested to buy this laptop here, I'll link them in the description below, and I got them from Amazon at about 950, around that range. Alright, so this is the final result. As you can see that the graphics score at about 5270. The CPU has 4253 CPU score. Overall, it has 5087. In my opinion, it is a good laptop. The score is very decent. I would say upper range, mid upper range. In terms of the pricing for 950 is definitely worth it. Now during the graphics test, I can hear the fan actually goes on a high speed. I'm not sure if my microphone picks up the fan noise, but definitely you can hear the fan goes on to the high speed, and you can hear the fan spinning very fast. Other than that, during the benchmark test, you can see that the graphics was very smooth. I don't see any delay or any jag graphics. It was just smooth in the gaming process on the stress test. So I do feel like this laptop here is capable to play any games, as well as for you to do any intense graphic design like the 3D AutoCAD or maybe any Adobe design. So other than that, I feel like for a price point with the result, I'm very happy with it. There's no complaint about this. Yeah, so hopefully something that um, helps you to decide whether if this is a good fit for you, for your purpose. And I will make a separate video for taking it apart during the teardown process, and I'll walk step by step on how to make an upgrade if you want to go from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes. Maybe upgrade your hard drive, things like that. I'll make a separate video for a teardown process. Make sure you check it out. I probably would put it right here on a little square box right there. Go ahead and click on that and check it out. And if you like the video, please click the like, and hopefully it's something is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.